Hi, everyone. Happy Friday. I hope that you are already well into your weekend. And I apologize for sending this on a Friday night, just getting my work done myself. I wanted to record a video of some of the updates and takeaways from our first session in case you prefer to listen in to me chatting with you instead of reading through the email. So here we go. One of the first big takeaways from our time together was from the Jamboard. Let me go ahead and share that with you. To refresh, remember the Jamboard was our transformative moments. I took the liberty of sort of making sure that they were grouped and giving them overall themes based off of what you shared in the chat room. So we have a bucket around authenticity, a bucket around student agency, voice, autonomy, things around culture of learning, many stickies around building relational trust between teachers and students, and last but not least, responsive practices. So these different buckets that you have curated are conditions that you're welcome to explore if you're interested in them. And they will be on here for you on Jamboard if you'd like to take a look a little bit more into specifics of what each of those conditions might mean. The second big takeaway we had was from our exit slip. If you have not filled out your exit card, please feel free to do so. Overall, thoughts were really enjoyed the asynchronous activities. Why stories were a little bit redundant and repetitive with what you had done before, and thinking through the community norms, we might need to revisit some of that in our next class. So expect that in session 2. For some friendly reminders, once again, please make sure that you look over the syllabus video that Tina put together to help you understand the course, the assignments, and especially in particularly our readings. This is a very different way. We are very intentional about giving you choice and voice in what you are learning for our time together. And secondly, in the signature assignment video, feel free to please make sure to watch that as I explain your final product and specifically what that might look like with some examples from previous cohort members. If you'd like, you're welcome to post your thoughts after watching those videos using the See, Hear, Think, Wonder protocol. I will be answering any wonderings you might have with these blue Post-it sticky notes. And as always, Tina and I are here for you, to support you. We are offering office hours. So under this cohort support page, you're welcome to sign up for an office hour slot. These will be on Wednesdays, about 30 minutes. If these times don't work for you, please let us know. We also have provided an open forum where you can post your own discussion to learn more about things, ask questions. I just posed up an example, something you can do. We recognize there are many experts in the room, and so we want to give you the opportunity to share your strengths and your experiences and leverage each other. So this is a survey, it's optional. The responses will be public. If you want to share your strengths and your experiences to support others and collaborate, feel free to fill this out. I'll curate it on our Power School, and it'll be a space to welcome invitation for folks to reach out to each other to support in developing your signature assignment. To summarize, here is a list of the conditions that were curated from our Transformative Moments activity. Feel free to use these conditions or the ones that Tina and I offer up as you explore a resource that you want to create. Next week, our class will be a 2-hour class and 1 hour synchronous or asynchronous. You can stay for the last hour with Tina or I to do some work, or you can take that on your own and do it on your own time. I hope that you are going to dive into a lovely weekend And feel free to reach out to Tina and I if you have any questions. Look forward to seeing you next week, and take care.